Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. If you're feeling fed up with life, stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, angry, fearful, concerned, confused, tired, hungry, or perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone on the path. New opportunities to suffer, new opportunities to overcome suffering, come into more light. We're going to take some deep breaths, and if you stick around for the full episode, I promise you're going to feel more calm, at ease, and perhaps a little bit of love inside, a little bit of trust. Despite the suffering, despite the immense pain that is all around us and inside of us, you can feel a glimpse of peace, of love, perhaps even more than a glimpse. Getting into a comfortable position where you can be seated upright, aware of the posture that you're sitting in, seeing if you can lengthen your spine, drop the shoulders away from the ears, feel your feet on the ground, feel the contact with your body in the chair or the floor or the couch, wherever you're watching this. Just feeling your body being supported. Using your sit bones to help straighten your spine. Becoming aware of all the colors around you, the textures of your space. Noticing nuances of your space. If you can see out the window, notice what the sky is doing. Notice what the sun is doing. Listening, becoming aware of sound. As you close your eyes, tuning deeper into this sensation of sound. Noticing the sensation of touch. Finding your sense of balance. One of the most underrated senses, the sense of balance. I want you to visualize yourself in a place of total balance. Even if you don't feel that way, just pretending that you're in a balanced state of mind, that your heart is balanced, that your mind is balanced, that your energy is balanced. Just pretending. As you close the eyes, looking inwards, noticing how you feel in this moment. Becoming aware of any emotions inside, any anxieties, tensions inside. Relaxing the face, relaxing your jaw, the forehead, the eyes, relaxing your hands, relaxing the belly, relaxing your mind. Following the guidance of my voice, taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in through the nose, exhaling out the mouth. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhaling pain, letting go of suffering. Breathing in trust. Exhaling fears, letting go of insecurities. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling, letting go. Breathing in peace. Exhaling anger, letting it go. Feeling anger leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in joy. Exhaling depression, letting go of it. Sadness, resentfulness, the desire for revenge. Letting go, coming back into love. Coming back to this 4-letter word, love. Letting go of self-hatred as you breathe in new energy. Exhale. Breathing in forgiveness for yourself. Exhaling forgiveness for others. Inhaling. Exhale. Opening your heart, opening your mind to this moment. The past is past. The past is history. The future is a mystery. And the present is a gift, which is why we call it the present. Feeling the gift of this moment, despite suffering, despite things not going our way, despite so many uncertainties, insecurities, frustrations, coming back into trust in the unfolding of life. Relaxing your face, relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead, closing the eyes. You're safe to let the eyes be closed and relaxed. Feeling the breath drop down into the belly, pushing the belly outwards. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You've lived to see another day, but it won't always be that way. One day closer to death than you were yesterday. Remembering that everything is going to pass and fade. So no need to take it so serious. Even this earth will fade, the sun will fade. Everything that we know, our culture will fade, our legacy will fade, our language will fade. Everything is temporary. Enjoy it. Letting go of seriousness, letting go of feeling things so important that you can't laugh at it. I know it's difficult. Coming back into your body, letting go of thoughts. Feeling the sensation of sound. Let the sound move in your body. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale with a sigh. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Becoming aware to silence in between sounds. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. Holding your breath at the top. And exhale, letting go. Feeling suffering, rooted in your body, rooted in this moment, rooted in the fact that suffering is coming and going, that everything shall pass. To be a witness of the suffering arising, to be a witness of the suffering passing, to be a witness of love arising, to be a witness of love passing, to be a witness of anxiety overwhelming our whole system, and to be a witness of the anxiety dissolving, passing. Oftentimes we notice when we're anxious, when we're feeling a bit depressed, when we're feeling angry, but we don't notice that it passes. We don't become aware when it's past. That's the goal today, to notice the passing of emotions, anxieties, sensations, to become more aware about how everything is coming and going. The color for today is red. The number is 200. And the animal is a ram. A hard-headed ram. Hopefully today we will not be so hard-headed as the ram. We can soften our mind, soften our heart, and open to the blessings that are already in our life. Affirmation for today: I'm already loved, already loving, already loved. You are already loved as you are, even if it doesn't feel that way. The prayer for today is to love despite fear, despite anxieties, despite being burned in the past, despite immense pain inside the heart, inside the mind, from time to time, to love. Love is the juice of life. And we shouldn't think that we know what it is. It's so mysterious, it just keeps expanding. Don't be afraid of it. Taking one more deep breath in for now. And exhale. Sending a big hug across time and space. Wishing you healing on your path. Wishing you the strength to overcome obstacles. Wishing you the awareness to enjoy your day and not take it so serious. Wishing you the courage to love despite fear. Wishing you prosperity, health, wealth, an abundance of resources, creativity, friendship. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.